How do I go slower? How can I slow this thing down? Can I use a reducer? Is there another machine? We've been fielding these questions for literal years. People just want to slow the sewing down. Well, we've got ourselves a total game changer for all the leather sewing folks out there. For quite a while, the Juki DNU-1541s has been the standard walking foot machine for all types of applications, including but not limited to leather sewing. We've empathized with the fact that some of you have contracts on manufacturing jobs and a lot of you are selling goods on platforms like Etsy. We know that leathercraft can be unforgiving and frustrating, especially at faster speeds. But what people don't realize is that unlike a car, it takes a more powerful motor to slow down an industrial walking foot machine. This reminds me of a story. Back when the steam engine locomotives were first introduced to farmers saw trains as a useless contraption. Who in their right mind would bother to lay down those tracks, shovel coal in the engine to make it run, not to mention the insane price tag on it? The inventors of the train had not seriously considered who they'd be selling their invention to. And through some miracle or fever dream, one guy came up with the idea to think like a farmer. Before the steam engine, farmers used horses and kept a good stock of healthy, hard-working horses, and that took a lot of energy and resources. So the idea was to tell farmers how many horses a train would replace and keep on replacing for the foreseeable future. Now this train has 5 horsepower, or the ability of 5 horses. Now with this new unit of measure, the farmers started buying trains, and like they say, the rest is history. So what does this story have to do with leather sewing? Well, everything. For so long now, the Juki DNU-1541 walking foot industrial sewing machine has been sold with a 3/4 horsepower motor, the equivalent of almost 1 horse. Now, if you've ever ridden a horse, you know that's enough power to easily destroy Mike Tyson, but not enough power to slowly sew through multiple pieces of leather. But what if that power got doubled? Yeah, like 1.5 ponies. Could we convince our 1.5 equestrian team to slowly stitch hides together, crafting a superior product and not ruining costly materials? That's exactly what we're telling you. We've done the homework and we've now attached a 1.5 horsepower AM motor to the Juki DNU-1541. And so there you have it. The same Juki walking foot with double its prior horsepower. Slow, consistent stitches with the reliability of Japanese engineering that you've come to respect and the quality you've come to demand. The best industrial walking foot machine in its class just got a pivotal upgrade, one that we've all been waiting for. It can slowly stitch leather goods and other thick stuff. This whole video is devoted to just showing off the power of this 1.5 horsepower motor on the Juki DNU-1541s. And of course, we carry these. Check us out online at cutsew.com for all your industrial sewing machine needs, and we'll see you next time.
You want faster. $2,500.
It's banana, the range that it has, man. It's so awesome. That motor is fantastic.